All right, y'all. What up, YouTube? What up, Team Gifted? And now, the Yofonzz finally gonna drop the. Actually, he already has a YouTube channel, and now we're gonna put the behind the scenes on his YouTube channel. But this is gonna be the haircut tutorial. A huge transformation on my boy. Finally got a haircut.
He blessed me.
Yofonzz,
Tell me,
Sure
we
did.
doing this today?
we are doing this today.
How long have you been woofing?
Since December 2nd.
Look at the
my last
mustache,
cut.
though.
Yo,
Huge
December
transformation on my boy
2nd was the
Yofonzz. You are
last
not
day
yet
I got a
following my boy on
haircut.
Instagram. What's your Instagram?
Yofonzz, Yofonzz, and behind the scenes is gonna be on my YouTube channel. This is the debut. We're launching it, baby. This is it.
All right. So prior to this, he did a what is it called? A brush session with the shampoo.
With shampoo, yep.
And then we had to blow dry it, make sure it was dry through the do-rag. And
Would you say it was completely dry or was it slightly damp?
yeah, I would say it was dry. So right here we're using the Ulster Fast Feeds, and I'm using the number 3 guard. I wanted to do a number 2, but after we took the do-rag off and I looked at his hair texture, I was like, there's no way. And plus, our boy Miami, he kind of like was like, yo, I wouldn't do it too. So we had a vote. We took a vote.
Yo,
And
shout outs to Miami though. Like my man came through and he was like, look, man.
Dude, the whole transformation too. He was there the whole time.
He came to the shop without needing a haircut. He just wanted to be there to see this transformation.
But this is an epic, classic, crazy transformation that, you know, and you created a pretty good buzz on Instagram off of this process. So this is a pretty big video. So I appreciate the opportunity to, you know, cut your hair, bro. Sorry for shaking the hand with my left hand, but
you take that as disrespect if somebody.
I just think it's good for.
Do you
a
believe
person.
people wipe their you know?
No,
like some
not
people-
only that. I grew up with shaking, you know, another man's hand with the right hand. But I apologize. So we're gonna attack the neckline, and as soon as I put the trimmer to start the first initial guideline, my man was like, "Damn, I forgot what clippers felt like."
I did say that. I mean, it's been a minute, bro.
He felt the AC back there.
Facts.
But so the next guideline, now I switched to my Wall Magic cordless clippers just because I wanted to blend with these clippers. I just wanted to use the fast feeds to knock everything down, knock the bulk off. But
so this it's not too often you get my hair texture, right?
no, well I've done 2 videos with your hair texture. One being the 360 GZ haircut tutorial, and then the Clay Thompson haircut tutorial. The 360 GZ one, he had a little, I'll say it's a little more thick, or more thick, whatever. And then the Clay Thompson one was close enough to this hair texture, but you know, I just trial and error. I attacked it just like any other hair texture.
Yeah.
Did the same process, the same steps. I just know that I needed to keep brushing and combing down that hair to feed it into the clipper or the guard, because it's just a real light texture.
Yeah, it is, bro. And to be honest, like growing all this hair out, because I rarely ever grow the sides out. I was so used to getting ball fade on the sides and just growing out the top. For those that don't know, like that was me. That was my style.
You had
I've had
a lot of hair. You had a flat top. You had the Gumby. You had.
Did I have the Gumby?
I think you did have, or you had.
I was considering the Gumby for sure.
Yeah.
But no, I was never really used to growing out the sides and then doing all this. I'm like, man, the sides feel a little different than the top. But I'm telling you, this is crazy. Like, bro, I really, like, looking back now, even though it's been only, what, a day?
Yeah.
Damn, I really grew out my hair for 3 months and didn't do nothing to it. No edge. I didn't do nothing to my mustache, my beard, nothing.
Yeah.
Woo! I don't know how my
But that's
girl
what
dealt
made this
with that.
transformation that much better. Like, this is a major transformation. But we didn't want to go too high on the back of the neck taper. We wanted to keep it lower than the what bone?
No, you say it first, sucker.
I say occipital.
The what?
Occipital.
The occipital.
Occipital.
Come on, boy.
All right.
We in there. Come on.
Occipital, bro.
Occipital. Occipital?
Spell occipital.
Hey, come on. Let's get back to this video.
But the taper seems to be coming out pretty clean. The highest guard I used was a number 3 guard.
Yeah.
That blended right into whatever I did on the sides, which is a 3 with the grain. But that taper's coming out pretty blurry, and we're just doing a little bit of detail work. I did the same steps, y'all. Sorry we got carried away, but I started with the lever open, put it in the middle, closed it, and I did that with each guard up to the 3. So then right here we're gonna go ahead and attack the side of the taper.
My little curls out.
Take the little those S curls out.
Yo, oh my God! You know what? You heard Mike when he was going off on me on the sides. My man said I was looking damn, what was he saying? No shots at nobody. You know, we're barbers, we're funny. But he was like, man, you got the Jew curls.
Yeah.
I was like, damn. Shout out to the Jews. All love, baby. Yo, but oh my God. Yo, to be honest, besides the back, because the back was looking awful. Those sides, I'll have my do-rag on just like I have it on right now. And then you just see these curls just like this.
Throwing gang signs. Like the Crips and Bloods.
For real, bro. My curls, my size was set tripping.
And then his mustache was the in between. Like, yo, let's come together. Let's come together, man.
Let's come together and brush his teeth as he speaks.
So, guys, the same steps that we did on the back, I'm doing that on the side. I'm just being real cautious that he is lighting it in that area. So.
Yo, like my density,
I use a lot of the corner work.
The density on my sides is horrible, especially around there. Like from after the taper, I'm good, but like that area is horrible. Like all the way up to before you cut my hair. You know, I'm doing my brush sessions. I'm like wondering what kind of taper am I gonna get? Yeah. Because it's bad. It is bad. If it wasn't, my biggest struggles are the sides and the front right here, the edge up. Because I'm pretty much like
that edge
bald
up,
right.
We had to work because after doing a 4 in the front, just because the edges on the corners are a little receding.
Little. Yeah.
I wanted to be
go
nice.
With a little.
I know YouTube's already gonna.
Oh, so you've been lying. So you lying to me?
Why you always lying?
Damn, boy.
But we did the 4 in front, and then after I lined them up, I freehanded it and knocked it down as much as possible.
He finessed it.
Yeah.
He finessed.
I try.
My man was like, you know, I might have to bring it down like a lot. I'm like, no, you're not. No, you're not. You're gonna keep this. You're gonna keep this.
Look at the neckline. Once that taper's gonna pop once you see that neckline hit. Man.
Damn, boy.
I feel like I was edging hair almost close to your jawline.
For real, bro. Like
back of
the back growth was connecting
to the beard.
with my beard. Like it was connecting. It was bad.
Like Rick Ross on a whole nother level.
Nah,
shout out to Rick Ross, man. Hope he pulled it through. You heard about him?
He's good, man.
You heard about him?
My man posted a Rolex picture.
Oh yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Whoa.
Like he's good.
All right, so we can go ahead and do the lineup. And we're gonna keep that as natural as possible.
Which you did a
great
job.
At the end, I did apply some Kiss Express. I didn't put that in the video.
I'm looking full right now. I'm just saying, I'm looking full.
It's just something that just makes that haircut pop.
Look,
and
it's something
if you
want
to see that, if you want to see those type of enhancements, I have plenty of videos of it on how to do it. So go check those out. But I just wanted this to be, I guess, private. And then, take the ending product, the finished product is gonna be with the enhancement.
Look, I asked for this. I wanted it. I think did I ask for it? Or did you suggest it? No, I wanted this because like I'm a little light, and sometimes you're gonna have to finesse.
Yeah.
I gotta finesse here. I got a few spots, and it's necessary for some people. I'm just saying, like I'm waving. And I mean, it's what kind of waver doesn't have a nice edge? You know what I'm saying? Like a real waver. I rarely ever see.
If anything, like they could have a mess of taper, but as long like on wavers, their edges have to be on point.
The edge, and if you got a beard,
like you'll be paying attention to some wavers. Like I see some wavers with like a blunt taper, like it's just bald and then the first wave. Right?
Nah, I'm good.
But their edge is on point.
Nah.
But you know, you might set a trend. You know, you did create some kind of buzz off of this.
Wait, wave is going rough. Wave is going rough.
You created.
I'm a wolf again, man. The wolfing stage has started already. You cut it yet? Wait, was it yesterday? Damn, I can't believe it was really yesterday.
It's been a long,
a
long time coming, but I know
waves gon' come.
Yo, my man was brushing and singing that, rocking back and forth.
Yo,
waves gon' come.
Yo, you don't know how bad it was looking in the mirror, looking at rough, boy.
Your daughter didn't even want you taking her to school.
Didn't want me to take her to school.
That's when you know
I had to
I
had to split my mustache to the sides just to kiss my girl. Shout out to the wifey, Vonda. But yeah, she was yeah.
He would have to wake up in the morning, roll over, and just say, "I'm sorry."
Yeah, but as I speak, I'm brushing her ear.
Oh yeah, so on this area right here, on both sides, I grabbed the foreguard open, and I went against the grain to kind of taper and knock down the hangover around the ear area. That way the line pops.
This video is dope. You did a great job with this video.
Appreciate it. Yo, and again, I appreciate the opportunity for letting me do this. And you know, I stepped out of my comfort zone on this haircut.
Yeah,
I think so. So.
No, I'm telling you, man, you did your thing, bro. You did your thing, and it was a great experience. You know, it's good. I'm a barber as well, like I already said. Did I say it already? Did I say it? No. Well, I'm a barber as well. I work at Headlines. We just don't work in the same location. And the biggest thing about being a barber is the experience. And Matt showed me a great experience. We were having a great time. And you know, if you ever get the opportunity to get your hair cut by Matt and he's recording, I'm telling you, it's a blast. It's a blast.
Yo, shout out to all my clients that allow me to do that too, because I have to do it during work. There are some times where I do videos after hours or before hours, but I have to record during my regular, scheduled appointments.
Yo, up to this point, what would you say was, obviously the most epic moment was the beginning, cutting down the waves. So
I would say the foundation of the taper, and then once I hit that line on it, like I just started connecting everything together. It's just making sure everything is symmetrical and proportionate. I did apply a little bit of spritz in the front and then blow dried it to have it laid down.
Yeah. No, but I think besides all that, man, the epic moment was cutting that mustache down.
Oh yeah, and the eyebrows.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Relax on the eyebrows. Why do I feel like you're taking shots at me?
Because, bro, you had a mustache. You had 3 mustaches.
Relax, bro. Like, I know they were the same thickness. You know what I'm saying? But
caterpillars.
Damn, why does everybody call them that? It's like all my friends and family members got together and said,
"What's that line that J. Cole says?
This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna call them things caterpillars."
What's that line that J. Cole says? And they all look like my eyebrows, thick as hell.
It's facts. Hey. Shout out to the wifey. Hello.
But look, as you can tell, when you put that edge up on it and then freehand those hairs that are sticking up.
This is when the finessing.
Watch, y'all. Look at his reaction when he sees that he has an edge up. Watch, this is so epic. Look. Oh. Well, damn.
Well, damn. Who's that man there? Yo.
Alright, so we're gonna apply some Tune 45 shave gel to do the finished, the razor touch up.
That's crazy. I'm growing out my beard too.
Like,
I'm happy you didn't do nothing crazy.
I can literally sit here and say I changed someone's life. That's straight up. I changed someone's life.
He did though. He brought me back.
His daughter's like, "Daddy, I want you to take me to school. I want you to walk me into class now."
I'm telling you, like, it was so funny because we have
my vows.
So we have a new barber in the location I'm at, And he's never got to see me with a fresh cut. Because by the time he started, I was already wolfing. So, you know, after you cut me yesterday, I go to the shop. He's like, he just couldn't stop looking at me. He was like, bro, I'm just not used to seeing you like this.
You look groomed.
For real, bro. For real. Yo, it really sucks getting a little old. And I'm still young. But damn, look at the density.
Yeah.
I'm going light for real.
But we made it work, man.
No, we made it work. We made it work.
We went around the obstacles and
that's an obstacle.
there might be some trolls out there, but hey.
No. Big ups to Matt because that's not easy. Like all this area is not easy at all.
And I'm not gonna push my man back. That's what enhancements for. The lineup is there. It's just light. We just enhanced it. We didn't fix nothing.
Me.
Right here is already enhanced. Right here. I already put the Kiss Express on the beard. The edge up. Now I'm just freehanding those frizzy hairs.
You know what's cool though about having waves? It takes away from the fact that I got a big ass head.
You are not listening to.
Cause I got a big ass head.
Yeah.
I got a big ass head.
I mean,
but it's like
look. This is the finished product. Tell me what y'all think. Team Gifted and then Team Yofonzz.
Yo, man, shout outs to my boy Matt for doing a great job, man. He brought me back. Matt, my man.
Appreciate you, homie. I'm glad I could change your life.
Yes, sir.
Thanks for watching, man. Hope y'all love the video. Make sure you subscribe, share, and comment. Make this video go viral.
For real.
Somebody, if you got a friend, cousin, brother, a nephew that looks rough, and they're like, yo, you need a haircut. Watch this video.
And if they got waves.
It's crazy what a haircut can do for somebody.
Facts.
Like you would have walked into a job interview the day after and got it.
Yeah. Because they were calling me homeless, but I ain't homeless looking no more. You know what I'm saying?
All right, y'all. We out.
Let's get it. Peace. This is when we... See, Matt, we could have just done this together. We could have, like, slapped the camera together, Matt. Damn it, Matt.
We out of here, y'all. Peace.
Peace.